Hello friends, today I'm working on this drain pump. It's from LG dishwasher, and here's the part number DDA056X01. If the dishwasher is not draining properly, you can get underneath the dishwasher, open this drain pump. There's a little small clip, which is here. These three clips, 1, 2, 3. You will open it and check inside this drain pump to see if there's garbage or anything built up. These dishwashers are usually installed in this position, so vacuum your dishwasher before you open this drain pump. Vacuum the dishwasher hose where it drains, and then you're gonna open it and see you will find garbage and stuff built up here. If there's nothing built up here, then check these 3 pins for 3 to 5 ohms. If you're getting 3 to 5 ohms, the drain pump is good. You will have something else stuck in the drain hose or underneath the sink where the hole is or a spigot is. If those are fine and you're not getting proper resistance on this drain pump, not 3.5, then replace this drain pump.